Good morning. I welcome you all for today's session. So in today's session, we'll be studying third experiment on CapsMill. In the previous two video sessions, I told you regarding the first two experiments. So today we'll be starting with the third experiment. So let us begin with today's lecture. We go to CapsMill. Say yes. Say create new part. Okay. Don't make any changes. Just say okay. So you go to draw shapes, then you say rectangle. In rectangle you need to give the dimensions. Give the dimensions as 200 by 200, 200 by 200. Don't give any corner radius. Say okay. Give the center as 0 comma 0. Say done. Once again you go to draw shapes, go to polygon. In this, give the length of the side as 75, number of sides as 8, and he has given the corner radius, it is 5. Let's say okay. Once again the center remains the same, it is 0 comma 0. Say done. Next, once again you go to draw shapes, rectangle. So the dimensions given to us are 50 into 50, so it is 50 and 50 here. Corner radius is given to us as 6. Right. Once again you place it on the same center, that is 0 comma 0. Next you go for draw shapes, that you go for slot. So the length of the slot given to us is 50. Width of the slot or breadth of the slot is mentioned as 10. So you can change the color if you want. You can take it as green. Right? It is not compulsory. If you want, you can do it. Say OK. Once again, give the same center 0 comma 0. Right? So you can see that the slot is visible here. Right. So once if everything is defined in the geometry part, we will go for defining the blank. Say draw, define blank, select contour, select the outer rectangle. So now here he has mentioned that we need to perform two operations. One is pocket milling and second one is slot milling. So there is no need of taking extra material. So give the blank thickness as 50 and z coordinate at the bottom as -50. Okay. Say okay. Next you go to the machining tab, select machining. In machining you go for pocket milling, say new tool. Now here you be careful when you are selecting the diameter or radius of the tool, because he has given me the corner radius for this octagon is 5, right? So it is 5 mm. So I need to take a radius of 5 mm. It means the diameter should be 10 mm. So diameter 10 mm. Say OK. Next, it is asking you to select a contour. Select this octagon. Do you want to specify islands? Say yes. Say OK. It is asking you to select the island. Select this as the island. Say done. Right now it is asking the depth of the pocket. So depth of the pocket is given to you in the side view. It is 20 mm. Say OK. Next, once again go to machining, milling. Say slot mill. New tool. And you can take finish fluid. So for milling the slot, he has given us the width of the slot as 10 mm wide. Right, so the diameter of the tool selected should be 10 mm. Say OK. Next, select the slot. So this green colored thing is the slot. You select this. Once again, it is asking you for the slot depth. It is given to you in the side view. It is 10 mm. Let's say OK. Now once if you define all the operations, you go to tool path. In tool path, it's a simulate. Say OK. So this is how you can see the simulation. This is pocket milling. The first operation what I defined. The depth is 20 mm. So it is removed in multiple passes. Right? So whatever is the intermediate material remaining in between, so that is nothing but the island. So that is what I had specified, that it should not be removed, that material at the center should be available. Right, so this is second round or second pass. So here you can see all the parameters, right? The type of operation, whether it is linear or it is circular, clockwise, anti-clockwise, right? XYZ coordinate variation, the tool what I have selected, right? The spindle speed, all those things are visible here. These vary from machine to machine. Here you are having a machine tab. In that you can select various type of machines. So as and when you select different type of machines, these parameters will be different. So this is the last pass. Next would be going for second operation, that is slot milling. So this is slot milling. Right. So that's it. That is the final shape desired. So I have shared the manual with you people. So you just go through that. The dimensions are mentioned in the manual. Practice this. So hope this video is going to help you in practicing. That's it. Let us meet in the next session with some new exercise on CNC mill. Right. So that's it. We had three exercises in CapsMill. And the next video session will be studying regarding CNC mill.